Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today, we are going to explore an essential topic for managing your members during appointments, especially during member meeting. We'll look at how to add sanctions to your members, a process that may seem complex but is actually quite simple. Before we dive into the details, make sure you've created an appointment in your calendar that allows for sanctions. This will allow you to effectively track your members' behaviors and maintain a productive work environment. To get started, it's crucial to create an appointment in your calendar. This appointment must be configured with a type that allows the application of sanctions. This means that you need to have access to the table configuration page where you can define the types of penalties you want to apply. Once you've set this up, you're ready to move on to the next step. Remember, setting up your appointment correctly is the key to effective sanctions management. Once your appointment has been created, head to the toolbox and select the Sanctions option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a drop-down list containing all the appointments you've created. Select the one you want to apply sanctions for. This step is crucial because it allows you to precisely target the appointment concerned. Make sure you choose the right date to avoid confusion. After selecting the appointment, it is time to choose the type of sanctions you want to apply. All the types of sanctions you have defined earlier will be displayed. However, it is recommended to select only the penalties that are not handled by AutoSet. This gives you more control over the amount and nature of the penalties applied. Take the time to think carefully about the type of sanction that best suits the situation. Once you have selected the type of penalty, the amount of the penalty will be displayed automatically. You have the option to change this amount if you wish. This allows you to tailor the sanction to each member's specific circumstances. Do not hesitate to adjust the amount so that it is fair and proportional to the situation. A well-measured sanction is more effective and better accepted. Now that you have defined the type and amount of the penalty, it is time to select the members to whom you want to apply this sanction. In the list of members, check those who are affected by the sanction. This step is essential to ensure that only the right people are affected. Take the time to check your selection to avoid any mistakes. Once you have selected the members, click on the Create button to add this sanction to each selected member. This process is fast and efficient and will allow you to manage sanctions centrally. Make sure that all the information is correct before finalizing the creation. Once the sanction has been created, it will be applied immediately. To keep an eye on the penalties applied, you can view the list of penalties due and unpaid. To do this, simply click on the Show Unpaid Data button. This feature is very useful for tracking payments and ensuring that members meet their obligations. Proper sanctions management helps maintain order and discipline within your organization. Sanctions management is a crucial aspect of membership management. It helps maintain a respectful and productive work environment. By applying sanctions in a fair and transparent way, you show your members that you take their behavior seriously. It can also encourage better participation and stronger engagement at appointments. Remember, communication is key in this process. In conclusion, adding sanctions to your members during appointments like the member meeting is a process that, once mastered, can greatly improve the management of your organization. Be sure to follow all the steps we've covered today to ensure effective enforcement of sanctions. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences in the comments. See you soon!